Hey guys, just jumping on here real quick to tell you that I'm loving my Shark hair dryer. I work at Uptown Curl and we use Dysons there, but they're very expensive, so a very great alternative is the Shark. This is what it looks like. It's actually pretty cool because you can adjust it right here. Move it over and these go up and they go down for shorter or longer hair. So much more affordable. All those holes in the diffuser head diffuse the hair so it doesn't blow it around as much. It uses basically the same technology. It's got great power behind it. I also want to mention that the diffuser head is bigger than the diffuser head on a Dyson. So you can fit more hair in it, which makes the drying time go quicker. Also, I had a client not that long ago that came in and was talking about how her daughter had basically something put in her head where it was a device that has some kind of metal in it, so you can't use any magnets around her head. So the Dyson attachments are magnetic, which is nice, but they also fall off easier and then they break. So I think there's just a lot more that is more useful with the Shark, and it's less expensive. So okay, so I'll drop the link below, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this beautiful weather. Thanks.
Oh God.